Hi, welcome to the garage. This is my 81 diesel pup. It's got some hard starting right now, so I'm gonna try to start it up. It's about maybe 50-60 degrees outside. It's been sitting for about a week, so I'm gonna give you a quick look at what a start is like on this. Turn the key. I'm gonna wait for the glow lights to go off and the relays to click off. I'm gonna cycle them a couple times, even manual override it for a little bit, just get it as hot as possible, and then crank. Probably while I'm cranking, I'll probably be pumping the pedal. So here it goes. Okay, there's the relay. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm just gonna wait a couple seconds. I'm gonna try it again. Okay, I'm gonna override it. Then we're gonna try cranking. Come on, baby. Wants to go. Not yet. We'll try it again. And then you might be able to see out the back. No, there's not too much smoke yet. There was a little bit of gray smoke coming out. Oh yeah, you can see a little plume over here, just a little smoky. Okay, we'll wait a good 30 seconds. We'll try it again. It's really hard to start. It got even harder after I brought it into an injection shop, had them mess around with tried changing the static timing on the belt, and then I think right after that I also developed a leak at the cold start device, so I think that's making it perhaps even harder. Something with that, so we're gonna try it again. I'll override it for a couple seconds again. Fuel, what it feels like. So got a lot more smoke coming out. The longer it sits, the worse it seems to be. So I'm gonna try again here. Seems like I gotta keep cranking it, maybe. Kind of let off cranking and try pumping the pedal, and it doesn't seem to go. But it seems like it's almost ready to, like it wants to. I could jump out and try the primer pump, make sure that's primed up good. I think I might have to give that a go because it's just not starting here. Not yet. Not yet. I did. Yeah, there's my helper.
That was quietly.
Okay.
I quietly. But not
I don't know
loud.
if this is gonna help at all. I don't know if it's just not getting fuel, maybe the leak at the CSD or something is causing the fuel to drain out.
Yeah,
I got some new clear lines to try to replace all these lines with, so we'll try that next. I'm gonna try to start it up one more time, okay? All right. All right, here we go. before. It sounds really weird. Very strange. There's another minute here to. Since the thing, I have not tried to start it up with it sitting for more than a couple hours, or even I guess overnight. So it's been sitting for about a week, and it's just really not going. That's a lot more smoke there coming out now. Yikes. I don't know. If she's gonna get going. Let's push this till it maybe firms up.
Please. Please.
I'm gonna try to start it again. Maybe I'll give it one more try. Wait a minute here. And I'll do really cycle those glow plugs. Not sure what. This is definitely different than what it's been before. It used to just be kind of, took a little bit of cranking. I noticed a leak at the full load adjustment screw. And I replaced that, and then after that, it seemed like it maybe was starting up pretty good. If I cycled the glow plugs just a little bit, just a little tiny bit of cranking, even when it was 30, 40 degrees. But ever since that, brought it to the injection shop, and they changed the static timing a little bit, and then we set it back. I kind of advanced it forward a little bit, and then yeah, I think after that I got a CSD leak or something maybe, and I don't know if that's making the starting way worse or not, but it's been way worse to start recently. There we go. All right, so I did the full cycle again. We finally got her going. So that was, I mean, that was 10 minutes almost to get the thing started. So that was a lot of cranking, that was a lot of work. Maybe cycling the glow plugs really helped. Maybe I have to do that more to get her going. I'm not sure. Now that I got it going, next up is going to be, I think we're going to change out this fuel line.